Welcome to the channel, and this is my new Qashqai. Well, most of it, that's the good side of it. As you can see, it has some damage, but not too much. I'm hoping to fix it for less than the cheapest one for sale. The cheapest one at the moment is about £2,200, and I paid for this one £1,600, so a bit cheaper, but not too much cheaper. The one for sale at 2,200, it's much higher mileage and much lesser spec. Let's go around it and we'll have a look what we need doing to it. I did some digging and I have a rough idea what it needs doing. Obviously from the start it needs new bumper, it needs a fender and a headlight, as well as fog light, wheel arch liner. I have removed the headlight already to see what's going on inside. Here is the bonnet release cable, some plywood stuck in it. And as you can see, there is no structural damage, just the panels, so it should be easy fix. As you can see, it needs new rear tire. It's done, and lucky me, it has a locking wheel nut, and someone helped themselves to a locking wheel nut socket. I have already tried to smash a socket onto the locking wheel nut. The color just spins around, so I need that socket. I have emailed one of the companies I found on the internet, and they said they can match the socket, so hopefully just £40, all be good. Some other strange thing I noticed. Is the factory screws. I'm sure it doesn't have to be in here, so it needs to be replaced when whole handle. Anyhow, the good news, it has panoramic roof. Never had this one before, as well as it has sat nav, reversing camera, dual zone climate control. Good spec. So my goal is to fix it cheaper than the cheapest one is available. Of course I'll do it myself. I'll order some parts already, most of them is in, still waiting a couple bits to come in. Hopefully it will work out, and in the next video I'm gonna be starting replacing them. See you soon.